Grade 5. Subject: Computers. Chapter 4. Topic: Computer Software. Learning Objectives. After reading this chapter, you will be able to learn computer software, application software, system software, and utility software, computer language, machine, assembly, high level. Computer software, as we know, is basically the set of instructions grouped into programmers that make the computer to function in the desired way. It can be classified into two categories. 1. Pre-written software package. 2. Custom-made, specification programs. Pre-written software. Computer pre-written software may be classified into three broad categories. 1. Application software. 2. System software. 3. Utility software. Application software is the set of programs necessary to carry out operations for a specified application. For example, programs to solve a set of equations, process examination results, etc., make up application software. System software, on the other hand, are general programs written for the system that provides easier way for the writing of application software. Pre-written software packages typically addresses the processing needs of users. Application software. To make the computer useful, you should combine it with software in a particular application. An application is the job a user wants computer to perform. An application package, or simply an application, is a set of programs that allow the computer to perform a specific data processing job for the user. Application software helps the user to work faster, more efficiently, and more productively. A user-friendly package is a package that is easy to learn and use. Application package may perform 1. Single function application package. 2. Integrated function application package. Single function application package. These can be further divided into special purpose package and general purpose package. Special purpose package are packages designed for a specific type of user. For example, medical package for doctors. A doctor can enter a patient's detail and the result of his tests in the computer. Medical package then tell the problem with the patient and recommendations for treatment. General purpose package are packages that can be used for a number of different tasks. For instance, word processing package, Microsoft Word, data manager, graphics, and electronic communications. Integrated function application package. These combine several of the general purpose function in a single product. They include most of the following functions: processing words, managing database and files, manipulating spreadsheets, preparing graphics, managing database files. An integrated package makes it possible to use a common set of instructions to share data and move data among several applications. For instance, word processing program of an integrated package would allow a user to use the keyboard and display screen of a computer for creating and editing the text, say an examination marks card. The data organized in columns and rows can be used and so analyzed by using the spreadsheet program of an integrated package. Its graphics program can be used to produce charts. Thus, it is a single all-in-one package. For example, Microsoft Office contains Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. System software package. A system software package is a collection of programs designed to operate, control, and expand processing capabilities of computers. The computer manufacturers and independent software suppliers like Microsoft Corporation supply system software. There are two components of system software. Operating system, the first program loaded into a computer's memory that makes it possible for us to use the computer in the operating system. An operating system may thus be defined as a set of computer programs that control and manage the operation of a computer system. It enables various devices in your PC, such as keyboard, the disk drive, the memory, the VDU monitor and printer, to operate and communicate amongst themselves and the user. Some common operating systems are DOS and Windows. Some of the major facilities provided by a modern operating systems are easy communication between humans and computers, starting computers automatically when power is turned on, loading and scheduling users' programs, controlling input and output, controlling running of a program, managing use of main memory, managing an operation, e.g. opening, editing, closing, files, providing security to users' jobs and files. An operating system helps people use computers in many ways, but the function performed by an OS are generally invisible to the users. The computer system running under OS control range from small personal computers to mainframes and supercomputers. For example, Windows and MS-DOS, an operating system that are generally used for small personal computers. For big computer system or multi-user system, operating systems Unix and Xenix are used. File required for booting. Booting is the process of loading of the computer operating system into the computer memory. MS-DOS is the operating system and so are Windows. An operating system contains one or more files that make a disk bootable. MS-DOS has mainly three primary files that are used for booting, namely io.sys, interface between the operating system and the input/output capabilities of the computer. MS-DOS.sys, program for the file management and disk management capabilities of MS-DOS, and command.com, the command processor. Utility software. Utility software is a special purpose software that improves the operations of the system software, providing additional and specialized functionality to it. It helps to keep your system in shape by eliminating correction errors. Some utility software comes with windows that are available in the System Tools section of accessories. There are also specialized software like Norton Utilities that contain the numbers of software, and also Norton Antivirus and others. Computer languages. Human communication with each other through languages such as English, French, Italian, etc. They are highly developed so that we can express not only facts but also ideas. High-level language must also be translated into machine language before a computer can use them. One of the two different language translations. High-level language must also be translated into machine language before a computer can use them. One of the two different language translator programmer is used to translate high-level language: interpreter, compiler. Interpreter. An interpreter translates one program instructions into computer understandable code, and the computer immediately executes the instructions before moving on to translate the next instruction. An interpreter has an advantage over compiler in a way that if an error is made in a given instruction, the programmer knows exactly at which point error occurred. Compiler. A compiler converts or translates the entire program code into computer understandable code before the program is executed. The program code remains intact and can be changed and then translated again into computer understandable code.